Okay. Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do a one-year review on these two cases that I found on Amazon that happen to fit your Can-Am Ryker. In all honesty guys, these are pretty decent cases. They come with a couple of keys, so they're lockable. I rate them at about a medium quality only because they come with a plastic mounting bracket. They are capable of holding 2 adult-size helmets. Let's check out the price and where you can get these. I'll then do an installation and give you my one-year review. So we're over on Amazon's website. This case is made by a company called Can-Am. They're a pretty decent manufacturer. 48 liters is the size. That's what you need for 2 helmets. About 80 bucks. So I think this is a good bang for your buck. It comes in a lot of different colors. I've got the black one with the red and the black on black, but you see here there's also white. Check out the reviews. A lot of 4- and 5-star reviews. So over 80% of the people would actually recommend this. That's why I bought this particular case. And I must say, you know, it's a good size. I think it checks all the boxes for the price. So let's head on back. All right, so the case comes with pretty much everything you need. There's that plastic mounting bracket, and then you're going to get a bag full of hardware. So why don't you come on in and we'll open the bag and see what's in here. So there's actually a lot more stuff here than you need. These curved brackets, this is for if you had a bike that had tube metal, so we don't need that. We do need this because this is what holds the case down against the bracket itself, so we'll put those there. We do need these 4 specialty washers as well as these 4 regular washers, so we'll put that over there. We do need the the nuts, but we're not going to use the bolts that come with the kit. They are just way too long. They're designed for if you had a bike that needed this. So what I'm going to do, we went to Home Depot and we've got just some shorter versions of this, okay? So that's everything that we need to do the installation. Here's the bike we're going to do the installation on. So why don't you come on over. You will need this luggage rack. There are a couple of descriptions down below on where to get it and how to do the installation. Once you have this, you can proceed to install the Amazon luggage cases. So if you take a close look at the rack, you'll notice that there are actually a couple of pre-drilled holes. And in this case, for this particular luggage, the bracket, some of the holes line up perfectly with these. So why don't we check that out? So all you have to do is center the bracket that comes with the luggage. And as you can see, this hole, this, and this all line up. So that is perfect. So we're going to leave that right there. And now we're going to take these little specialty washers. And we've just dropped them in, so take a close look at that. Now we're going to use those shorter screws that we purchased. And we're just going to drop them in. And so now we're just going to use that washer and the nut. And if you come around to the bottom, we're just going to complete the installation. So as you saw, that's really easy to install this bracket for the luggage case that we're going to be installing next. If you come in here, you'll notice that there's this groove in the bracket itself, okay? So focus in on that groove. And you also have this hole right here. It's a screw hole. Now, if you look at the case, on the back end of the case, if you zoom in here, you'll actually see that there's this projection. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna line up with this groove. Now, if you come inside the box and you look down, if you see that, you'll see that it lines up with that hole in the installation bracket itself. So remember, we do have these two pieces left. So first thing we do is we install the washer, and then we take the tightening bolt, and that's what's gonna hold this luggage case in place. Now, like I said, we've been using this for about a year, haven't had any problems whatsoever. So now we have a nice place to place our helmets. So if you come around on this side, you can see that with that rack, perfect fit for your fold-in passenger backrest. I do prefer this setup a lot better than what you see with the competition. What they have is they're actually leaning against this, using this as a backrest. Personally, for me, guys, I don't want my loved ones leaning on a plastic case speeding down the highway. So if you look back down here, the fact that you're now able to utilize, you know, the factory bracket, in my opinion, is a lot better. So we've got a nice lockable case. If you come around here, I got a couple of keys. You got a nice place to put those helmets, your jacket, gloves. You can't carry a lot of stuff, but a hell of a lot more than you can do right now. So for me, this $80 Amazon luggage case definitely is something that I can recommend, and it happens to fit the luggage rack perfectly.
Yeah. I'm gonna buy that one and that one. All of them. I need it all. Do you want it though?